This is a story of friendship, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. A dream that began in the heart of Singapore with two boys named John and Wilson. Childhood friends since the age of 8, their bond was forged in the simple joys of kampong life. Little did they know, their shared journey would lead them to build one of Singapore's leading interior design firms.
John, remember this place or not?
Yes.
This is where Rezt Relax started 25 years ago.
Wow.
You know where is this or not? Chin Shui Road.
Old Fox Place.
Why we choose here, you know? Remember that time we chose here, why? Because here CBD.
Oh.
City area.
Ooh.
And the most important is what? Rental very cheap.
Yes.
$800.
I remember now.
In the year 2000, they took a leap of faith, establishing Rezt Relax in Chin Shui. Young and driven, they were drawn to the proximity of the CBD, a symbol of their aspirations.
Remember here, no, Wilson?
Of course lah, John. Why we come to Joo Chiat, you know? No?
Cheap.
Yes, because on that time, right, 1 month is only 1,600. Ground floor, you see. But remember or not? Who is our neighbor? Remember or not?
Bar.
Those exciting entertainment.
Exotic bar.
Exotic bar, yeah.
By 2004, they had outgrown their humble beginnings. Joo Chiat beckoned, a place of passion and dedication. But that year brought more than just a new location. SARS struck, testing their resolve. They had to endure the loud noises and frequent fights. Yet, they pressed on.
So John, finally,
Yes.
after 10 over years, we have buy our own office.
We own, we buy.
Yeah, we must really thank ourselves for our hard work.
In 2010, they took another bold step, purchasing their own office in Vertex. Rezt Relax experienced strong growth, expanding their reach through strategic collaborations with leading real estate companies.
After 20 years of hard work,
Yes.
finally we are here.
Yeah.
We finally buy our building.
Yes. 2018. We bought it.
2020 brought the unprecedented challenge of COVID-19. The world shut down, but Rezt Relax adapted. A close friend's insistence on learning Zoom proved to be a lifeline. They had to overcome construction delays and canceled exhibitions. Yet, amidst the chaos, they achieved their best year, with a record $45 million in revenue. They secured a landmark $1 million project and attracted top talent, enabling them to expand into high-end rebuilds and commercial spaces. Rezt Relax is more than just beautiful spaces. They are forward-looking, always embracing the latest technology, leveraging AI to empower property agents, creating a seamless super app experience for customers. They are constantly innovating to enhance lives. From kampong boys to industry leaders, John and Wilson's journey is a testament to the power of friendship, perseverance, and vision. Today, as they celebrate their 25th anniversary, Rezt Relax stands as a beacon of excellence, innovation, and unwavering commitment to their clients. Here's to the next chapter.